Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Talar and today I am going to tell you about algorithms that every programmer should know. Every programmer should have to know about these algorithms and he should understand them. So first is sorting algorithms. Sorting algorithms, all kind of sorting algorithms are needed for a programmer to being a best programmer. Sorting is one of the most heavily studied concepts in a computer science through every major programming language, but built in storing libraries, it comes in handy if you know they work. These include merge sort, quick sort, bucket sort, heap sort, counting bubble sort, insertion sort, radix sort, selection sort. And the next is search algorithms. Search algorithms are essential to know. These is another important category of algorithm which are essential for many real world applications. There is also algorithms were here compared to storing ones. These include linear search, binary search, the most basic and the most easiest algorithms, depth first test, DFS, breadth first test, search, BFS. And the next algorithm is hashing. Hashing is trending now. I mean every person, every user is using algorithms, is using hashing in his social workings in social media. Hashing lookup is currently the most widely used technique to find appropriate data or key or id. We access data by its index. Hash map, hash table, dictionary are the algorithms for this. Dynamic programming, this is also a very essential for a programmer. Dynamic programming is a method for solving complex problems by breaking it down into simple problems. We solve the subproblems, reminder their results, and using them we make our way to solve the complex problems quickly. Duckworth-Lewis method, it is a type of a dynamic programming. Floyd algorithm, called as Floyd algorithm. This name is Floyd all pairs shortest path algorithm. And the next is string matching and parsing. Pattern matching searching is one of the most important problem in computer science. There have been a lot of research on the topic. KMP algorithm, string matching, regular expression for string parsing. These are algorithms used for string matching and parsing. And this should be know for every person. Thank you. That's all for all today. In the next video, we will meet with our next technical problem, and then you have to. I have a request to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new and amazing technical videos. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.